Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how I steam oysters in the Instapot. So what I have here is, this is the 8 quart, and we have it now almost full. They had already been washed. They were over here dirty. So now we're gonna get them all filled up, and I put 2 cups of water in the 8 quart, 1 cup of water in the 6 quart. Turn it on, make sure the little thing is closed, the vent, hit the steam button right there for 2 minutes, and then let it go. And it will come out. Once the 2 minutes is up, you can go ahead and do a fast release. And this is why I put a cloth over it, do the fast release. And this one is the 6 quart. And as you see, there it is. Perfect steamed oysters. So there you have it. Pretty simple. And now we can go ahead and enjoy these oysters. How nice looking they look and how easy they are to get in now that they're steamed.